Okay, runner new quiz cleanup. As promised, I'm gonna get this onto my YouTube channel. I'm gonna do 1, 2, and 3 here. At least if I have time, I'll do the back. I am gonna use a calculator. I told you that you could not. You should be able to multiply these numbers and handle it. But for the sake of time, I'm gonna be doing the multiplying on a calculator. There's a picture. It's 22 by 12 centimeters, and I wanna mat it with a 5 centimeter frame on all sides. So you are required to draw a diagram. Doesn't have to be beautiful, but you have to do that. 22 by 12 is the picture, and I want a mat of 5 on all sides. Now, we talked about this architectural kind of labeling. If I bring this one down, that's 5. From here to here, from here to here, it's 22. And from here to here, it's 5, giving me a total of 32. Okay, 10 plus 22. Here, from here to here is 5. From here to here is 12. And from here to here is 5, giving me 22. What's the total area covered by both the picture and the frame? Well, this becomes very simple with good setup. Make sure you FSSU. Writing the formula is length times width. You could also write A equals length times width, or a more traditional formula is area is base times height, but I believe you learned this in 5th grade. Now we substitute 22 times 32. 22 times 32. You will multiply it out because you should be able to do that. 704 centimeters square. 1 point. 2 points, 3 points, 4 points. If you have the wrong numbers here and you've shown your substitution and you get this answer wrong, it's a 3 out of 4. 1 point for the formula, 1 point for the substitution, and 1 point for the correct label. You lose 1 point for the incorrect answer. There's my final answer for number 1. Let's go to number 2. I have a picture with a frame. Ooh, let's draw that. I have a picture with a frame. Oh, so I think they're giving me the overall length here. So let's drop that in. I have a picture with a frame. That is, okay. 30 centimeters by 35 centimeters. The frame is 3 centimeters on all sides. What's the perimeter of the picture? So if I drop this down, it's telling me that this is 3. This is, I don't know yet, and this is 3, but this is 6. 35 minus 6 is 29. So that guy is 29. That's 3. That's 3. 30 minus 6 is 24. So this is 24. So my picture is 24 by 29, and I want to know the perimeter. So the perimeter is the sum of sides. Because it's a rectangle, I have some other options. This works for all polygons. A rectangle, you could do perimeter is 2 times the length plus 2 times the width, or you could do 2 times the quantity length plus width, or you could do length plus width plus length plus width. I don't care what you do here, but this one works for all polygons, so I tend to write that. The perimeter is, this is the substitute step, 24 plus 29 plus 24 plus 29. These two is 48 plus, is it 48? Plus 58? Now I gotta check, I'm losing my mind. 24 times 2, 48. 29 times 2. 58. 106, and we're still in centimeters. Here's my final answer. Wait a second. All right, next. There's a picture frame that's 75 by 40. I wish I'd given myself some more space here. That's the frame. 75. There is a picture that's 33 by 15. It's a pretty big picture frame. What's the area of the frame? Well, area is what it's being covered by. It's all of this. There's a lot of ways to do this problem. You could find all these little bits and pieces, but in the end, what we're really doing is taking a big rectangle and cutting out a small rectangle. So I'm gonna do, the area is gonna equal the big one minus the small one. So it's gonna be the length and width of the first rectangle minus the length and width of the second rectangle. So now I'm gonna substitute. Big one is 40 by 75 minus 33 by 15. And I'm going to use my calculator, but you're going to multiply it out. 75, ooh, 3,000. That is a lot of area. 495. Who wrote this problem? So now I'm going to do 3,000 minus 495 and get 2505 inches squared, and that is my final answer. Might as well keep going. All right. 4/9 times 27/4, 36, 116. Is that right? Oh, I should have stopped while I was ahead. That's a 2. 106. I gotta simplify that. This is an 8. Man, I should have stopped while I was ahead. I can divide both of these by 2. I'm good at that. 54, or I used to be good at that. 18. Oh, 2 again. Oh, wait a second. 27 is evenly divisible by 9. It's going to equal 3. That's not the only way to simplify it, but it certainly is one way. I'm going to do 5 down here. Take its reciprocal, its multiplicative inverse. And lastly, I'm going to keep the division sign here because I have a little bit of work to do. I need to make this improper. 21 plus 4 is 25/7. Now I want to multiply by the reciprocal. 28. Oh, let's see if I can do this correctly. Oh, if it was quarters, 8 quarters would be $2, $2.25. I actually think that might be simplified. These are not divisible by, this one's divisible by 3 and 9, but this one's not. That's your final answer.